So welcome to my class, and in this we are going to do the law of demand. So what is the law of demand? So now that we are armed with the knowledge of determinants of demand, we can understand what the law of demand is. It means the relationship of demand, the inverse relation of demand with its own price, other determinants remaining unchanged. That is the law of demand, which says higher the price, lower the demand, lower the price, higher the demand. But remember that the other determinants do not change. So, and there are certain, those are the assumptions actually. So it'll be very easy for you to understand what the law of demand is. But before we go on, let's see, what does it state? What does the law state? It states that other things remaining constant, or ceteris paribus, there is an inverse relationship between quantity demanded and own price of the commodity. So simply it means that there is an inverse relation between quantity demanded of a commodity and its own price, other things remaining constant, other determinants unchanged. Now, let me just again reiterate, what do you mean by other things being equal? It simply implies that all other determinants of demand other than its own price remains constant. So let's take the assumptions of the law of demand. So what are the assumptions? So assumptions are that, say, remember we did O-tie, in that just take out the own price. That's how. Let's just take the determinant own price and demand, and that becomes the law of demand. And the other determinants is let's take that O. That means other goods, prices of other goods, that is related goods, do not change. Then T, tastes and preferences of the consumers do not change. I, that is income, there is no change in the income of the buyers or the consumers. And E, that is consumers do not expect, regarding expectations, any significant change in the availability of the commodity in the near future. So having gone through the assumptions, now we can just the law of demand can be explained with the help of this demand